If you have been looking for how to make money online in the international space with affiliate marketing, you've come to the right place. Imagine waking up every morning to discover you have made over $100 every single day online from your own computer like other smart Nigerian affiliate marketers, including me. $100 per day is equal to $3,000 per month, and a dollar is 360. Making 3,000 per month is equivalent to 1 million naira in a month. Imagine how sweet and comfortable life would be if you were earning over 1 million naira every month without stress. That's the minimum an average affiliate marketer in Nigeria makes monthly in the international market, and you too can be part of us. What you're about to discover is real, proven techniques that top affiliate marketers in Nigeria use to generate 6 to 7 figures in commission alone, day in, day out, using a tried and tested strategy as used by top marketers, generating 5 figures or more monthly commission. And you can duplicate our strategies to start making your first $100, $200, $500, or even $1,000 per day by this time tomorrow. The sky is the limit because when it comes to affiliate marketing online, if you scale up your efforts, you can scale up your result. So once you hit $100 per day, you will know what you need to do in order to scale up to $150 per day, then 2,000 per day, and so on. Each promotion takes a little more than 30 minutes of your time, setting up in exchange for massive dividends and towards becoming a top affiliate marketer. And the best part, the targets are learnable and scalable. Once you get the hang of it, you will be raking in massive commission day in, day out like clockwork. Don't be surprised to start seeing your name dominating leaderboards and affiliate contests, be it on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ClickBank. It doesn't matter which affiliate network you are on, even if you've not done affiliate marketing before. When you know these jealously guided secret techniques, which I'm about to reveal to you, you too will be the next super affiliate. That's why I call this Commission Gold Digger. Commission Gold Digger is your playbook to making massive commission with other people's product. There's a lot to cover in this video alone, but know this, once you've mastered the skill to pay the bills, trust me, vendors will come begging you to promote their product. There is an abundance of product out there, but few make it to the bestseller list. That's why super athletes are in demand, and you can make your commission go on fire because you have the Midas touch. Be the sought after sales machine by vendors and the envy of your peers. Here are just some of the things you will learn. The mindset of a super athlete. You uncover the might of affiliate marketing and avoid the deadly mistake that most athletes make. The criteria for choosing the best product to promote. The amazing simple step-by-step process to killer reviews that get buyers. One technique to triple your commissions without any extra effort on your part, and a lot more. Again, I can only cover so much in this video. Finally, you can start generating stellar results from coaching your affiliate marketing campaigns and start generating massive commission. For many reasons, I should charge a premium for this training, but because I am making this available as a digital course, I can cut you a discount. It won't be 135,000 naira. It won't be 50,000 naira. It's not 30,000 even. But just wait, you're going to get this for a low one-time offer if you act now. You just click the button below and get your instant access risk-free.